To pin and lock the YouTube app to the screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and in here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down. And in here, tap on more security settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on pin app. Tap on the left hand side panel. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn on pin app. Then we scroll down and tap on ask for pin before unpinning. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Next, we're going to go back to the home screen. Then open up the YouTube app. Then tap on the recent key. Now swipe across, and once you are on the YouTube app, tap on the YouTube icon at the top. From the pop-up, tap on pin this app, then tap on OK. So the app has now been pinned. To unpin it or unlock it, you can touch and hold on the recent key and the back key. And to unlock it, you need to put in the pin. If you don't put in the pin, then you will not be able to unlock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.